We've just opened up our Neuro Programmer 2, and this is pretty much the screen that you'll see. I've already got some sessions already in here, but we're going to go to the top here where it says need help getting started. And this is a video made for the very beginner, so I have the Neuro Programmer 2, not the professional version. I don't have the special goggles or anything like that. I do have a headset, but other than that, that's all I have. So let's go ahead and click this. There's also getting started documentation. There's quite a bit of documentation that comes with this. But for now, we're going to go ahead and go through the wizard. And this will tell you what type of session you may be interested in having based on your needs at the time. Do you have headphones? Yes. Do you have the Mind Machine, the audio strobe thing? No, we don't. Please check the options that interest you the most. For now, we're going to go with relaxation meditation. And let's go with mental programming too. But you can see there's quite a few in there. Please check the option that best describes your personality or mood at the moment. Okay, calm, relaxed patient, unsettled, stressed, agitated, hyperactive. Let's go with unsettled. Select the option that best describes the time you have to spend using this program. Normal time 30 minutes to an hour, very rushed 20 to 30 minutes, plenty of time. I like extra long sessions. Let's go with very rushed because I do want you to see that there are options for shorter sessions. If you have attempted hypnosis or self-hypnosis, did you have a persistent difficulty relaxing into a trance state? Yes, no. I've never attempted hypnosis. Let's go with yes. Are you experienced with entrainment, and do you prefer advanced user sessions tending to be shorter and starting at a lower brainwave? Let's go with no. Do you have brain damage, closed head injuries, clinical depression, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, traumatic? Okay, let's say no. Select the option next to the sound sample that you find most appealing. Okay, so there's background sound and tones, which I don't think you'll be able to hear, but maybe. I just prefer tones, which I can't hear. Soft noise and tones. Let's go with sounds and tones. The wizard is now complete. And now we get a new set of selections. Okay, so you get a green check mark by the sessions if it is something that fits in with what you've just done. So click done, and there's our session list. And if you look down the ones that have the green check, we see the Alpha Hypnotic Relax, and Theta Deep Hypnotic Relax. That's 50 minutes though. That's not a shorter session. So let's go with the Alpha Hypnotic Relax. Okay, this one you'll need headphones, but you could also, if you don't have headphones, you can see there's another one here that you can do headphone free. But we'll go ahead and do this one. So you click on it, and it gives you instructions. Okay, if you want suggestions, and I'm going to go ahead and do those just to show you what that looks like. You do have the ability, I think, to program them in yourself, but it just tells you everything that you need to do for the session. Okay, now before we get started on this, let's go ahead and look at the suggestions. You click on the little tree, And um, there's a whole list of different types of. We'll stick with relaxation since that's what we're trying to do. There's also healing in here. Relaxation, slow breathing. There you go. Okay. You can preview the selected recordings. And this would be where you want to adjust your volume. Okay. Now, there also is a way of customizing this if you want more. This one, see where we use background sounds, you can change this if you don't want to use these. The fade in is once you're ready to go, this will give you like a 10-second head start before it starts, or fade out, or session start delay, that type of thing, between each little thing. And then you can see all these different ways of, you know, uh, customizing this. The recordings, delay between recordings, 3 seconds. I like to set mine a little bit more because I find that it's a little too quick for me. And then what happens at the end of the session, you can do nothing or close the application or even shut down the computer if you want. It's totally up to you. Okay, and then all you need to do is press the button and see the 10-second delay will come up, and then you can take that time to do what you need to do to get ready. And you're ready to go. That's it.